Dew point -0.1 Celsius. Altimeter 3012. Mount Vernon Outland Airport. Automated weather observation 0008 Zulu. Wind 100 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 08 Celsius. Dew point -0.1 Celsius. Altimeter 3012.
Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is taxiing to runway 5 from the hangars, Mount Vernon.
And Mount Vernon traffic, November 228 Mike Tango is 3 miles from the airport for the southwest ramp.
And Mount Vernon traffic, Cherokee and Marshall Lucy is cleared to active. Taxi out of the FBO. Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is departing runway 5, Mount Vernon. Alright, landing lights coming on. Final is clear. Mixture to go. Mixture's going full rich. Runway 5 verifies twice. Full power, making full power. Gauges are all in the green. Airspeed is alive. $60. Rotate. Climbing on VY. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 2 miles to the northwest. We'll be overflying the field, exiting to the south, Mount Vernon. Marion Tower, Cessna 5523 Golf is about 15 miles to the northeast over Benton, descending out of 3,700, would like to come in for some pattern work.
523 Golf, Marion Tower, roger. Straight approach to runway 20, report a 4-mile final. Wind 20005, altimeter is 3014.
3014 will make straight in for 20, report a 4-mile final for 5523 Golf, thanks.
And 5523 Golf, how far north are you now?
We're 6.5 miles straight in final now for 5523 Golf.
Okay. And 5523 Golf, and you're number 2 for the airport, following the aircraft on left base. Do you have them in sight?
Yes, sir. We got them inside. We're about 5-mile final now for 552 Golf.
Okay, you're number 2 for the airport, following that aircraft.
Roger. Number 2 would like the option for 5523 Golf.
You're cleared the option number 2.
Clear for the option number 2, 5523 Golf. Alright.
And 959 Yankee, you'll be following the aircraft on about a 4-mile final for right now.
959 Yankee, following the aircraft on 4-mile final. I got them inside.
Yeah, 310 Romeo, Marion Tower. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do full stop taxi backs. I got a full pattern now.
Alright, gas is on indicator, secure mixture full, race seatbelts are on. We're going to keep it slightly faster until a short final.
And 959 Yankee on your number 2, runway 20, cleared the option.
959 Yankee, number 2, runway 2, cleared option.
And 327 Victor, guess what we're going to do? We're going to take you up about a 3/4 of a mile upwind. I got to making a hole for a twin coming.
Alright, 3/4 of a mile upwind, Carbondale 327 Victor. 310 Romeo's midfield right downwind to runway 20.
478 Kilo, runway 20, you're cleared, touch and go.
Clear touch and go, runway 20, 478 Kilo.
310 Romeo, you're number 4 for the airport, and well, number 3 now. Runway 20, you're cleared to land.
Runway 20, clear to land, number 3. I got both traffics ahead of me in sight, 310 Romeo.
Alpha Echo, Roger, Southwest departure is approved, wind 19004, altimeter is 3014. And 335 Golf, you'll be following the twin on the right downwind for runway 20, and they're a full stop.
Right, we have them in sight, so we'll follow them behind and keep our distance for 335 Golf.
.335 Golf, runway 20, cleared the option, number 2.
Cleared the option for runway 20, 335 Golf.
Marion Tower, 5523 Golf is on the left downwind midfield.
Five 523 Golf, Roger.
Come to 327 Victor, is that my traffic on about a 3-mile final for runway 20?
27 Victor, yep, that's him.
Alright, now turning our left base for runway 20, 327 Victor.
5523 Golf, Roger, and you'll be following that aircraft that's in front of you, just turning left base.
Roger, we got that traffic on left base inside 5523 Golf.
And 5523 Golf, runway 20, you'll be cleared the option, and you'll be number 3 for the airport.
Clear for the option number 3 for 5523 Golf, thanks.
Marion Tower, Carbondale 310 Romeo, short 20, ready for departure to the west. I got both traffic on final in sight.
20 Romeo, Roger, and hold short runway 20.
Hold short 20, 310 Romeo, thanks.
And 310 Romeo, we're closing, so if everybody else is okay in trying to help you get in and out, you guys can work that out between yourselves.
Alright, I think we'll still just head back to Carbondale with you.
Okay. All aircraft, air traffic control services at Williams County Regional Airport have terminated. Runway 220 lights will be in the air mode. Nav aids, normal, no TAMs through flight service. Any aircraft requiring assistance, please advise. And does everybody out there have who they're following in sight?
Affirmative. Affirmative. 959 Yankee, affirmative.
All right.
And 23 Golf will be departing the pattern straight out after this landing.
327 Victor will be departing westbound back towards Carbondale.
Peace.
Marion traffic, Carbondale 310, Romeo, twin Cessna is holding short runway 20. IC2 aircraft on final. I plan to take off after both of those have landed. Marion traffic.
Marion traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf just departed runway 20. We're exiting the area straight out, Marion.
The tower, information Romeo time 0049, observation, wind 1904. Sky condition, weather radar 5005, temperature 07, dew point -07, altimeter 3014. Expected visual approach, landing departing, runway 18 left and runway 18 right. Read back all runway hold instructions and the assigned runway. If I shall contact you, have information Romeo.
Carbondale Tower, Cessna 5523 Golf. We're just over southeast by just departed Marion. Would like to come in for some pattern work with Romeo.
Is that Cessna 23 Golf over at Marion?
Yes, sir. 5523 Golf.
5523 Golf, report 4 east, and you can expect 18 left.
We'll report 4 east for expecting 18 left for 5523 Golf. Thanks.
5523 Golf, how far east are you now?
We're about 8.5 southeast still for 5523 Golf.
Oh, that's just perfect. Thanks. Yeah, let me know when you're 4 southeast or east, and we'll get you right in.
Roger. We're pretty slow. We'll report 4 miles southeast for 5523 Golf.
Copy that. What kind of Cessna are you?
Just a 150.
Okay. And just to let you know, sir, I got 6 in a pattern right now.
Yeah, I see him on the ADSB. Busy night for everybody.
Traffic, clear for the option, runway 18 right, Carbondale 547
49 Alpha, number 2, follow Cessna short final, 18 left, clear for the option.
Carbondale 549er2 is number... Carbondale 549er Alpha is number 2, following traffic on short final, runway 18 left.
You got it.
Took me a little bit.
That's all right.
Alright, gas down under care, secure mixture is full rich.
One kilo number 3, follow Cessna approaching right base, 18 right, clip the option.
Number 3, clear for the option, 18 right, Carbondale 941 kilo.
And tower 5523 Golf is 4.5 southeast now on a 45.
All right, 5523 Golf, traffic you're following is in the cross when you got them in sight?
Yes, sir. We got him inside 5523 Golf.
All right, follow that traffic. Let me know when you're downwind.
Roger. We'll follow that traffic and we'll report downwind for 5523 Golf.
.35 Golf, I think we're going to put you over at 18 right. Keep runway heading. Traffic's lifting off on 18 right now. Let me know when you got them in sight. 35 Golf, I think we're going to put you over at 18 right. Keep runway heading. Traffic's lifting off on 18 right now. Let me know when you got them in sight. 35 Golf, I think we're going to put you over at 18 right. Keep runway heading. Traffic's lifting off on 18 right now. Let me know when you got them in sight. 35 Golf, I think we're going to put you over at 18 right. Keep runway heading. Traffic's lifting off on 18 right now. Let me know when you got them in sight.
Was that full 35 Golf?
Sure was. You're upwind on 18 left, is that right?
Oh, no, we on almost a midfield lift downwind for 18 left.
Oh, goodness. Who's upwind on 18 left right now?
327 Victor.
I got my pucks backwards. I apologize. 27 Victor, traffic's off your right wing. You got him in sight.
Affirmative for 327 Victor.
Okay, make a crosswind to follow that traffic.
Crosswind to follow for 18 right. Carbondale 327 Victor.
35 Golf, you're number 2, calls us short, final 18 left, quick the option.
Option with Romeo.
35 Golf, you're number 2, calls us short, final 18 left, quick the option.
5 Golf to 18 left.
Okay, I'm still talking here, people. 35 Golf, number 2, follows us short, final 18 left, quick the option.
35 Golf, 18 left, we have option number 2, we got traffic inside.
Perfect. 23 Golf, number 3, follows us in the left base, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, clear for the option for 5523 Golf.
Just make sure I got my pucks right. 48 Alpha, you're midfield on 18 right.
I'm just turning downwind right now for 18 right, so for Alpha.
Perfect, you are number 2, follows us the 1 mile final, 18 right, clear for the option. And Carbondale 59 Yankee, you are now number 2, you're following the Cessna 150, 1 mile final, 18 left, clear for the option.
959 Yankee, 18 left, cleared option, I got them inside.
Perfect.
Yeah, we got them 35 Golf, can extend upwind.
Excellent, you're number 4, 18 left, clear for the option.
Oh, 18 left, clear for the option, 35 Golf. Southern Tower, Carbondale 478 Kilo, 10 miles to the east, inbound for a full stop with Romeo.
Carbondale 478 Kilo, welcome back. Let me know when you are 4 east for your full stop on 18 left.
I'll let you know when I'm 4 east, full stop 18 left, 478 Kilo.
Carbondale 941 Kilo, you are number 3, following the Cessna approaching the right base, 18 right, clear for the option.
Number 3, clear for the option, 18 right, Carbondale 941 Kilo.
And 2-3 Golf, I'm just making sure that you are coming back around for another pattern.
Yes, sir, we got to do about 8 more. I'm sorry, 5523 Golf.
Copy that. 2-3 Golf, you are number 4. You're following the Cessna that's approaching the left base, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 4, clear for the option, 5523 Golf. Thanks.
Southern Tower, Carbondale 478 Kilo. I'm 4 miles east now, and I have traffic turning left downwind in sight.
Groovy, you are number 5, 18 left, clear for the option. Follow that traffic ahead of you.
Number 5 for 18 left, I'll follow the traffic ahead of me, 478 Kilo.
And that traffic is a Cessna 150, so probably a little bit slower than you, just get a little extra room for them.
Roger that.
In the center sky was pretty 372, 30.8 descending 240.
Yes, we completed 1 takeoff and landing.
Check frequency, we're on 12535. I'm going to 549 Alpha. You are number 3. You're following Cessna. Looks like about to start the left base. 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, looking out for traffic on the left base, coming to 549er Alpha, cleared for the option. Runway 18 left.
You follow Cessna in the right base. 18 right, clear for the option.
Number 3, 18 right, clear for the option. Carbondale 327 Victor.
2-3 Golf, you are number 4, following a Cessna approaching that left base, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 4, clear for the option, 5523 Golf, thanks.
Carbondale 49 Alpha, number 2, final Cessna, short final, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, Carbondale 549 Alpha, clear for the option, runway 18 left.
Carbondale 548 Alpha, you're number 3, final Cessna in the right base, 18 right, clear for the option.
Number 3, following traffic in the right base for 18 right, 548 Alpha.
Cessna 23 Golf, your number 2, following Cessna, short final, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, 5523 Golf.
Southern Tower, Carbondale 548 Alpha, can make it off on 24 or Bravo.
I tell you, 4 Alpha left on Bravo, taxi park with me and have a great night.
Left on Bravo, taxi in with you, have a good night too, at 548 Alpha.
And Cessna 5523 Golf, you are now number 1 for the runway, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 1, clear for the option for 5523 Golf, thanks.
And Carbondale 327 Victor, you're now number 1 for the runway, 18 right, clear for the option.
18 right, clear for the option, Carbondale 327 Victor.
This was 4.
Six 710 Golf, how far east are you now?
I'm about 5 miles east.
What kind of aircraft are you?
A Cessna 150.
Copy that. And 5523 Golf, the plan is traffic you're following is about, we'll guess 4 miles to the east, coming in for left base when you start your crosswind. That's who you're looking for to follow.
Roger, we'll be looking for him, 5523 Golf.
Thank you much. And 23 Golf, traffic's about 3 to the northeast. They're extending out a little bit to follow the Piper. Let me know when you got them in sight.
Roger, still looking for him, 5523 Golf.
No problem at all. When you get on downwind, it should be easier to see.
I got 1 traffic on final for 18 left. Is that who I'm following?
No, the bright one's the Piper. The other one is, right of him. You're right of him. Maybe over to Soto now, starting to left base. This is not as bright. From here I can see like the little red light.
Okay, yeah, I don't have him in sight. Still looking.
No problem. They're in the left base. If you keep it on the down one, you'd be just fine. From here, it looks like they're over to Soto in the left base.
Okay, I think I got him. 5522 Golf.
And 23 Golf, that traffic's on final now. The second light out there, maybe 3 mile final, is yours to follow.
Yep, we got him. 5523 Golf, we'll follow him.
Perfect. You're number 3, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 3, clear for the option, 5523 Golf.
Copy. 6710 Golf, nose delay down to taxiway Bravo, which should be the next taxiway opening up there for you. And are you going to self-serve?
Just on a flight line.
All right, yeah, taxi in the flight line from here.
All right, Bravo the flight line for 10 Golf.
And 5523 Golf, expect maybe a go-around.
Roger, yep, we got him. 5523 Golf.
Perfect. It may work out.
Yeah, we can slow down pretty good too.
Copy. I'm we'll call that perfect spacing.
Yeah. Yep, it helps that he was a 150 also.
Yeah.
The slowest planes of them all.
That was 5. We got 5, we're down. 4 more to go.
Radar discussion, we'll take hotel. Have a great night. Thanks for the help. 310.
23 Golf, number 1 again, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 1 clear for the option, 5523 Golf, thanks.
Yeah, Golf or Bravo works to get to Alpha.
Southern Tower, Medevac, Arch 1, 6 miles northwest, 1,300, inbound Carbondale Memorial, and I am talking to Kids 2.
Arch 1, you got stepped on there, my apologies. You said, I see you there, you're to the northwest coming into Carbondale?
Affirmative, and I'm talking to Kids 2.
Perfect. I got a couple beating the pattern on the east side if you want to stay west of 18 left, and then we can just work you over. Does that work for you?
Can you say again your step down?
Yeah, if you just stay west of runway 18 left, I got a couple beating the pattern over there. No one on 18 right, so just stay left of the big runway, and we'll work you right in. Does that work for you?
Absolutely.
Perfect.
1 Victor Bravo, calling for southeast. We're actually about 3 southeast now.
No worries at all. 1 Victor Bravo, enter left downwind, 18 left.
Enter left downwind, 18 left, 1 Victor Bravo.
And 1 Victor Bravo, what type of aircraft are you?
I'd say Bonanza.
A Bonanza, you said it, yep. 23 Golf, fly runway heading, traffic you're following to Bonanza about your 11 o'clock, entering the downwind, maybe 3 miles.
Yep, we got him inside 5523 Golf.
That's perfect. 1 Victor Bravo, 18 left, you clear for the option.
18 left, clear for the option, 1 Victor Bravo.
5523 Golf, keep following your traffic, you're number 2, 18 left, clear for the option.
Roger, number 2 clear for the option, following the traffic, 5523 Golf.
Cessna 23 Golf, traffic's just west of the tower, heading to Carbondale Memorial, which is about a few miles south of the field.
Inside 5523 Golf.
Arch 24, got the second landing airplane in sight. We'll slow down past behind.
Perfect, thanks. I missed someone calling up. You say again, please?
It's Carbondale 682 Papa 7 to the east, inbound for full stop with Sierra.
82 Papa, let me know you are 4 east for 18 left. Also keep an eye on, I got a Cessna 150 about 3 east of the field heading back to Harrisburg.
Copy, we'll forward 4 east for 18 left, and we'll keep an eye on that traffic, 682 Papa.
And 6710 Golf, Cessna 172, call me up about 7 east, coming in for the downwind. Golf, you still up?
Repeat that for 710.
Yeah, 10 Golf, the second light you see out there is a Cessna 172, 7 out, coming in for a downwind.
Copy, we'll let you know as we approach that left base, 682 Papa.
5523 Golf, traffic you're following is about 3 or 4 east of the field, coming in for a left base. Let me know when you get them in sight.
Roger, 5523 Golf. And 5523 Golf has that traffic on left base.
Perfect, thanks. And A2 Papa, it'll start looking between the parallels and the right base for the traffic you're following.
We have traffic side, cover 682 Papa.
A2 Papa, number 2, 18 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, number 2, 18 left, cover 682 Papa.
And Cessna 5523 Golf, number 3, 18 left, clear for the option.
Number 3 clear for the option, 5523 Golf.
Cessna 5523 Golf, 18 left, clear for the option.
18 left, clear for the option for 5523 Golf. This will be our last one, sir, and after the go, we'd like to depart to the north, going back to Mount Vernon.
Copy that.
Carbondale 295 Foxtrot 3 northeast.
95 Foxtrot, 18 left, clear for the option.
20 left, clear for the option, 295 Foxtrot.
Tower coming up 293 Foxtrot. We're about 10 miles to the west of Hempo, requesting departure side left. 1 left, straight in, Sierra, full stop.
Coming up 93 Foxtrot, practice approach crew, maintain VFR, no separation services provided, port cabby inbound.
Port cabby inbound, 93 Foxtrot, thanks.
And Marion Tower 5523 Golf, we'll be departing your airspace to the northeast, sir. Thanks for all your help tonight.
5523 Golf, it's a pleasure. Have a safe trip back.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.
Mount Vernon Outland Airport. Automated weather observation. 0221 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 02 Celsius. Dew point -02 Celsius. Altimeter 3015. Remarks?
Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 15 to the southwest and bound to land straight in for runway 5, Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is 10 to the southwest now, planning on a 5-mile final for runway 5 full stop, Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon traffic, Cessna 5523 Golf is turning a 5-mile final for runway 5 full stop, Mount Vernon.
Mount Vernon traffic, 196 Alpha Echo. We're about 3 miles to the west. We're landing at the south side of the field.
And Mount Vernon 5523 Golf is on a 3-mile final, looking for that traffic. Okay, we got you in sight, 5523 Golf. And Mount Vernon traffic, 5523 Golf, 1-mile final for runway 5 full stop, Mount Vernon. And Mount Vernon traffic 5523 Golf is clear of the runways, taxiing to the hangars, Mount Vernon.